In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix the horizontal lines or half screen problem here on your Philips TV. Okay, for the first step, what we can do to fix this problem is that we look for, especially for devices you have connected like couple of days ago or something like that, because sometimes it can be the case that some devices here on the TV can lead to like picture problems or something like that. So what we can do is that we try to unplug every single device we have plugged in the TV and then turn the TV on, off, turn it on again, and sometimes this helps to fix like the problem, and then we can look which device is the problem there when we connect this. What you also can try to do is that we fully unplug the TV and then wait like 3 minutes or something, and then you can plug it in again. This is only to fully reset your TV. Sometimes you have like power problems or something like that, and what we can do is that we fully unplug this, fully reset the TV, and most of the times the problem is fixed then. If not, what we can do also, we can go here on the quick settings. And here in the quick settings, we can directly go to the picture settings, or if you don't have this here, go on all settings, and then you can also go to the picture settings. And here in the picture settings, I recommend to fully go down here, and here you can easily reset the picture settings to the default. Sometimes this helps. And what we also can try to do is that we go here on the picture mode, and we don't do this or go on like energy saving mode. Make sure that you go here on the user mode, and then we can try to change like the brightness and the contrast, and sometimes this helps to fix like the horizontal lines problem or like the half screen problem. Okay, so this is really important. And if this doesn't work, then what we also can try to do, we go into the quick settings, go on all settings here, and try to go down on system, and then go here on about, and here on about we try to do a system update. Sometimes this also helps. Okay, and after that your problem then should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.